Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And secondly, make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. It is required to be able to download something from the Play Store. You can either check our tutorial of how to add and remove a Google account in this specific device and follow it before following this video, or you can add your Google account after entering the Play Store. It's totally up to you. Alright, so we've got the internet, we've got the account, we can enter the Play Store. So now here in this place, let's say we have to tap on the three bars icon, which is in the left upper corner, and then enter my apps and games. Now, as you can see, we are on this updates section, where we can check which apps can be updated, and all you have to do basically is to find the app and tap on update. So I will choose maybe Google, maybe Gmail, and maybe Google Messages. So basically this is how it works. As you can see, your device will show you the information that the download is pending, which means that it will of course download it, and after that it will be automatically added and the app will be automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.